Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to enable dark mode on Viber. Maybe you are tired of the bright white background on Viber and you want to switch to a more eye-friendly color theme to reduce eye strain. So today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, tap on Appearance. Here, you will see this Choose a Theme section. Below it, you can now choose between light and dark mode. Since you wanted to enable dark mode, simply tap on this dark option. After that, you now have successfully enabled dark mode on Viber. Now, your application will have a dark theme that is easier on the eyes and it can be useful in low light conditions. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable dark mode on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to enable dark mode on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.